Alright y'all, so it's Seriously Quisha back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a wolf cut on my natural hair. Yes, I know, crazy, but today I got on this wig because I deep condition my hair. I like to use this stuff by the Main Choice when I take out my protective styles because it literally melts in your hair and you literally have no tangles like when it's time to wash your hair. So never heard of this stuff, I suggest you go get you some. Let's get right into it. Okay, so let me take this wig off so y'all can see what your girl looking like up under here. Yes, a whole egg out here in these streets. I love these because they so big and they washable so I can reuse them. So here's my hair. Y'all should have seen it before because my hair was like super dry and kinky. But look at this length though. It's pretty long. So the protective style I just had was the faux locks, and I did like another method, and oh my god, the freaking hair was stuck to my actual hair and I had to cut off. Well, it wasn't too much, but my hair is like shorter in the front in certain spots, so that kind of sucks. And that what really made me like want to just go ahead and, you know, give myself a little cut. I mean, I would go to like the hair salon, but I don't want to deal with that. So here we are. So hopefully, like, it's so smooth and soft, but hopefully this cut comes out right. If it don't, I actually really don't care, to be honest. I've been over my hair from the first video I posted on YouTube. I've been over my hair, like sick of it. I don't care about damage, none of that, because I'm sick of it. I've been wearing protective style like back to back to back. I'm sick of my hair. Take a shot for how many times I done said I'm sick of my hair, because I am sick of my hair. Like, what the heck? I don't think nobody will be sick of their hair as I am sick of my own hair. Anyway, I'm rambling. Look at them curls. Curls be popping over here. Everywhere else be like, ew, Frederick. I got my brush, my hair ties. Okay, so it's pretty detangled, so why I look like why I look like I ain't got no damage? Wait a minute now. This ain't gonna work. Okay, there you go. There my hair go. You coming. Okay, so all right, y'all, so I got that bad boy up here. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna call this out some more. The shrinkage is real. Okay, hopefully that's good enough. And I really, honestly, so we gonna put that here because we ain't really cut that much. We are not gonna cut that much on here. This is what we not planning on doing. Yeah, we're not cutting that much. So but this is where it starts to do some crazy tricks. But my hair, I don't know. I feel like where it feels the roughest. I don't want to cut too much. Okay, so I'll cut here. That wasn't much. So now we gotta do ear to ear. I don't think it has to be perfect. So yeah, close enough. My hair is so soft, y'all. I was gonna wash it and deep condition, but it don't even feel like I need a deep condition. But we'll see. All right. So now we on to the second layer. Yeah, and I'm TikToking too at the same time, so if they look a little crazy, guess what? No, I feel like I don't forgot how to do this part. We still ain't cut much. Alright, so there's so much here. Like, not even much hair. So like, girl, on to the last part. We gonna do this. Cannot wait to wash my hair. Okay, so we're gonna put you bad boy. So this is where I see other people cut their hair real short, and I ain't trying to have no bang, so I ain't doing that. Cut right there. Not much. And that's the end of the cut, y'all. I can't wait to see how this look. Wash it. Yeah, I can't really tell right now because it's damp from the products I had put in, but I mean, it looks okay. Maybe I should have cut more. Maybe I should have cut a water hoe. I ain't finna go back. Because first of all, how long am I really gonna wear my hair out? So let me go ahead and wash my hair and I'm gonna come. Okay, so I'm back from washing my hair. My towel dried with this microfiber towel from the Main Choice, and that thing soaks up water like crazy. But here's how it looks. No products, no nothing. Straight from conditioner. Slap some of this deep conditioner on it so y'all can see how these curls pop. That's how you know the product good, when your curls start popping. Okay, so this is how my hair looks with the deep conditioner in. I'll put some more up here. Can't read the edges. Yeah, I'm gonna do an update on my edges too, because I've been using the new oil I was telling y'all about. The new oil stuff from Intensity, Edge Intensity. Yeah, I still when I say that word right. My hair, that is cute though, like this. I just don't know. It's actually cute.
Okay, wait a minute. Not me feeling myself.
So I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna style my hair. And that concludes the end of this video. And there's gonna be another video coming, so stay tuned for that. So if y'all see me with this on in the next video, that's why. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And also don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what y'all think about this cut I did. Did I not cut enough? I know I didn't cut enough, but it's okay because it still look good. All right, bye.